On this episode of Travel Dares,
I'm taking Joe to Jacob's Well, one of the most beautiful swimming holes in Texas.
And I'm here at Round Rock, and we're gonna learn how to harvest honey.
come join us on our adventures on this episode of Travel Dares.
Welcome to Travel Dares. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Joe, and today we are in Austin, Texas. Austin is a paradise for lovers of food, music, and nature.
Joe, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
All right, here's your clue.
Clue number 1. Get ready to jump.
Just get ready.
All right, I'm ready for jumping.
All right, you know the drill. This is going to be perfect for Joe. He's not usually the most outdoorsy person, but this swimming hole is going to take his breath away. You are facing the activity, and take off your blindfold.
All right, what do we got here? Whoa! Oh my God, what is this?
It is Austin's most famous swimming hole, and we're gonna go diving into it.
Yes!
Woo!
Jacob's Well started out as a local kind of secret swimming hole for the Wimberley and Wood Creek residents. Somewhere around 2015, word got out that there's this remarkable spring you can come jump in that's unlike any other spring in Texas. When folks are first getting ready to jump in, they stand there and they feel legitimate terror. So when you're here, you gotta challenge yourself to do something you're afraid of.
That's a lot scarier looking from this angle. All right, Joe, land in the water.
Hey Joe, how'd you like diving into Jacob's Well?
Caroline, I loved it. It was so much fun. It was an incredible experience. I can see why you like swimming holes so much now. I definitely want to go to more swimming holes. Thank you so much for taking me here. And now, it's time for your clue.
Get ready for a sweet adventure. I like the sound of that. Okay. I honestly think we're gonna eat like a giant dessert.
Okay.
It's Texas. We're gonna have good food, and it's gonna be big.
Press your fingers so you try and just get in there.
Oh my
and just
gosh,
kinda
what is
squeeze.
that?
Oh, nothing. Just kind of grab a little
It's so
bit.
gooey.
No, just try it. Trust me.
It's honey.
That's right. Take
It's
off
good
your
honey.
Take off your blindfold because today we are going to learn how to harvest
Oh
honey.
my God.
Look at this guy over here, huh? Honey's really important to Texas, and I'm excited to take Caroline here and deepen her appreciation for bees. Zip it up.
Whenever this part of the country was being settled, Texas had the largest honey flows of anywhere outside of the Caribbean area, and we're also the first and the last honey flow of all of North America.
And
Oh, wow.
so they're turning the pollen into bread, and they're turning the nectar into honey.
And they're producing honey 24/7.
Always.
I've never looked at a bee this close
Me neither.
without flinching or running away. I'm really gaining a lot of confidence here.
All right, Caroline, you got this. Pick up that frame.
Look
Whoa, cool. Oh, that's a good one.
What's the next step?
at that. Well, let's go back to the honey house and taste that honey that we just harvested.
Let's do it.
We're going to harvest those frames that we just took out of the beehive. So you're going to just take off the surface layer here. You don't want to go in very deep. People come to Round Rock Honey because we have one of the best local honeys that you can buy. It's a blended honey from all of our various hives throughout the area. So this is our Round Rock Honey. This is our original. We've been doing this for over 15 years now.
This is similar to the one that we were harvesting today.
Yes.
Cheers.
Joe, thank you so much for taking me here.
My pleasure. And as a matter of fact, I think I'm taking a bottle home with me.
I think I am too.
You know, everyone thinks of Austin as just being about barbecue and live music, but there's so many other great things to explore in the city.
We dove into Jacob's Well, we harvested some honey. It's been quite the day.
Moment of truth. How'd I do? My rating?
Joe, you were so courageous going into Jacob's Well, and you jumped 3 times in front of a huge crowd, and because of that, you are getting 5 out of 5 stars.
Yes, I get a 5, the coveted 5-star rating. Yeah!
You deserved it more
Thank
than
you.
anyone.
Oh,
And
that's excellent.
honestly, you had quite the audience out there. All right, so how did I do in my beekeeping challenge?
Caroline, I could tell when we got there you were totally nervous, but you put on the suit, you got up on that hive, you even picked up the little thing there with the bees hanging from it. I was so impressed. I'm giving you 4 out of 5.
All right, I'll take it. I like a 4 out of 5. You know what, Joe? Congrats on your 5 stars. We're celebrating. Austin was incredible. I can't wait to see what Santa Fe has in store for us.
Yeah, me too.
Woo!